Today I'm going to show you how to take one of your products and pop it in a reel using Canva and then InShot. Working on a reel and I want to be able to use one of my hem boards as a pop-up as I'm talking. So I'm going to choose edit photo in Canva and then click background remover and see how that background just went away. I'm going to make it real big and then I'm going to save this as a transparent image and then bring it into InShot to edit the reel. So to do that, I've named it Tune My Heart. I'm gonna share, download, and make sure you choose transparent background, download. And now I can see that it's saved with no background. So I'm gonna airdrop this to my phone so that I can edit the reel with it. I'm gonna click airdrop to my phone. Now I'm in the InShot app and I'm gonna choose this PIP for picture in picture, then photo to grab this from my photo album. I'm going to get it the size that I want it to be and place it on the screen. And this is going to pop up as soon as I say hem boards. I'm also going to take the amount of time it's shown on the screen down a little. Here's a quick behind the scenes of my dad sanding the hem boards. They start out, all right, I like where that popped up, but I'm going to add an effect. So you click music effects and I have the bubble effect saved to my favorites. Here's a quick behind the scenes of my dad sanding the hem boards. Now I'm going to show you the reel in its entirety. Here's a quick behind the scenes of my dad sanding the hem boards. They start out as a huge sheet of plywood and then he cuts them down, bevels them, stains them, paints them, distresses them. And now he's giving it that smooth finish that it needs so that we can attach the hem sheet. Lots of time and love goes into these hem boards and we are so thankful that you continue to order them and love them. So you could do this too with your products. Just take a picture, bring it into Canva, remove that background, and follow those steps in InShot. I was using the paid version in Canva and InShot as well. Just wanted to let you know that. And let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial. And as always, subscribe for more.